Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads on a BMW 4 Series. First, gather all necessary tools like a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a caliper compression tool. Ensure you have new brake pads and any required hardware. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection. This process is straightforward and can save you time and money. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on your wheel while the car is still on the ground. Then, safely lift the vehicle using a floor jack and secure it on jack stands. Next, remove the wheel completely. Locate the two caliper guide bolts, typically 8 mm or 16 mm, and remove them. You may need to use a punch to drive out retaining pins. Once the caliper is loose, carefully slide out the old brake pads. Before installing new pads, clean the caliper and mounting points thoroughly with a wire brush to remove any rust or debris. Apply a thin layer of brake grease to the contact points where the pads slide and where the pistons touch the pad backing. Insert the new brake pads into the caliper, ensuring they are seated correctly. Reinstall the caliper over the new pads and secure it with the guide bolts, torquing them to specification. With the new pads in place, reattach the wheel and tighten the lug nuts. Carefully lower your BMW off the jack stands. Once on the ground, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper pistons. Check your brake fluid reservoir to ensure the level is correct. Finally, take your car for a short, low-speed test drive to confirm proper brake function.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.